Hello there, and in this video, we're going to talk about the transfer issue of Anthony Martial, who has decided he wants to leave Manchester United, and go to another club. And today we're going to talk why, and where that is and how that is. Martial wants to leave United in January, but there is a risk that the club will, fall into a familiar trap. Big things were expected of Anthony Martial when he was slotted, his debut in 2015, but it just hasn't happened. It's weird to even think he's now 26. Where did that come from? It feels like only yesterday he secured his move to United as a fresh-faced teenage sensation. £50 million down the drain, Tony Martial scores again was easily one of my favorite United chants. That song took a bit, daft now. Despite his recent struggles, seeing him slip further and further down the United pecking order, the 2019-20 season offered hope that we would finally see the best of mega money forward that we thought we'd signed. But he finished top of the club's goal-scoring charts that the season, notching 23 goals as well as 12 assists in all competitions. Since then, it's been a case of one underwhelming display after another. Injuries certainly haven't helped, but such a dip in form can solely be attributed to a few spells on the sidelines. Since Martial's prolific 2019-20 campaign, United have bolstered their frontline options significantly. Yet, despite the respective arrivals of household names like Ronaldo, Sancho, Greenwood, Cavani, and Fred, and all these other attacking players, Sancho and Greenwood, Martial was still somehow in the club. Some supporters have speculated that Martial isn't the type of player to react well to extra competition for places. I'm not quite so sure that's the case, but whatever the reason, the France international's time at Old Trafford is coming to an end. It seems like it's certainly coming to an end right now. Sky Sports recently reported that Martial is keen on a loan move to Sevilla, and the opportunity to play in a competitive league as well as competitive in Europe looks to be a sensible option for Martial. However, with an initial loan move rumored to be the La Liga side's preference, United need to be very wary of making the same mistake they made with Jesse Lingard earlier this year. Martial's situation at Old Trafford is very similar to the one Lingard found himself in 12 months ago, with regular football a thing of the past and more time spent on the bench than on the pitch. United eventually agreed to allow Lingard to move on to loan to West Ham, and in West Ham, Lingard showed incredible performance. From that, understandably saw David Moyes desperate to trash out a permanent deal in the summer. A lot of United fans thought it was best for Lingard to leave the club on a permanent basis given his stellar form in the West London club. To everyone's surprise, United opted to keep him at Old Trafford. Just a few months on, Lingard has again found himself kicking his heels on the bench that you can only assume his value has decreased significantly given his lack of action. And the fact that basically his contract has still more than 6 months left to run. This is why United are taking a big risk with Martial. Should he go out to a loan and play well, does that mean they'll convince themselves he has a future and they'll bring him back in the club? In the summer, as we've seen with Lingard, sometimes it's just the best to cut ties with a player when the market value is at the highest. If they wanted, they could have sold Lingard at a very, very high place. If Martial moves to Sevilla in January and impresses during his loan spell, United need to remember the misfiring striker they've afforded countless opportunities to over the past few years. Hopefully, he showcases his undoubtable talent while out on loan, and United can sell him for a good amount of money, and basically, they can get some of their transfer money back. Because this is also a big investment. This is a big £50 million is the very biggest investment for Manchester United, and they can get some of their money back. They can get some of their money back. They can get their opportunities back. Or if they don't get it back, then there will be a lackluster issue. Anthony Martial's priority transfer destination, could be Sevilla or Barcelona. He'll be going out on a loan most probably, Anthony Martial is reportedly a Barcelona's target for January, but the Frenchman has his heart set out on joining a different La Liga side. He has his heart set out on joining Sevilla. The fact that Martial has just played 2 games this season doesn't help the fact and doesn't improve his chances. It simply proves, that he lacks game time, he lacks game skills. And we may also see him go to Monaco or Sevilla or Barcelona, where he will be given another opportunity and plenty of game time to play for. It might happen. Moving to a different place can do wonders for you. You saw Lingard, how Lingard went to West Ham and simply rocked it. So stuff like that can definitely happen. It can, motivate you. It can motivate you to do better, and definitely it can, happen. The news that he is top of the pecking order at the club for the first time in a long time has gone down very well with Martial, who is now eager to make, jump onto this, offer from Monaco. The Monaco, the La Liga side, have told him that Sevilla has spoken with Martial and has convinced that, he will be the top priority at the club. He will be given the number 1 position and he's going to be their main striker and main man. So Martial, somebody who spent a lot of time on the bench, has totally pounced on the opportunity to be a, priority transfer, window. The news that he is atop of the pecking order at a club for the first time in a long time has gone down very well with the Martial, who is now eager to make the move to, Julian Lopetegui's side. However, the report goes on to state that there are concerns about the fee involved for the transfer and whether Sevilla will hold upper hand in negotiation considered from interests like Barcelona and Juventus. It appears incredibly unlikely that anyone from United is going to stand in the way of the former Lion star as it departs, considering that Ranieri has Cristiano Ronaldo, Mason Greenwood, Cavani, Marcus Rashford, Jadon Sancho as options, and now also Jesse Lingard has joined the party, basically. So there's very, very low scope for somebody like him being here and getting, a good feedback. Earlier this month, the German manager played down the reports that Martial and his agent had been vocal in his desire to leave. Ranieri said, the player hasn't spoken to me. If a player wants to leave, he should speak to me directly, not to his agent. And I won't make any comments because then I will be responding to his agent and not the player. But they have also said that it should be the player. If a player wishes to go on to another club, it should be the player who informs either the board or myself, whoever I have. I don't like to speak to agents. It remains to be seen who Martial leaves for in the January transfer window and whether he will be given an opportunity to impress upon his return or not in 2022. And there are issues. However, it stands that the forward will not be in the training pitch with international teammate Paul Pogba, who also has an undecided future. Anthony Martial basically has 3 suitors right now. They are Juventus, Barcelona, and Sevilla. The midfielder is out of contract at the end of the season and has stalled negotiating a new deal despite a new deal being made on the table since last summer. But he's not interested in a new deal right now. He doesn't want it. So, if Pogba continues to keep United in the dark about his future, then it would be no surprise to see the former Juventus star also offload in January. So Pogba and Martial could both be basically leaving in January transfer window, and Martial could be going to Sevilla. It's very, very likely. So let me know how you like the transfer news. For more news, take care.